Good morning. That chime means it is read aloud time. So I've chosen a book today called Owl Moon by Jane Yolen. I chose this book today because it's one of my favorites, and also I was lucky enough to have a parent volunteer a couple years ago, and her granddaughter was in my room, and she was an author as well. And she applied to go to Jane Yolen's farmhouse, the one depicted in this book, to learn what it's like to be a famous writer. So one of the things that she talked about when she came back to our class was the idea of similes. And remember, a simile is something that compares two things using like or as. For example, this book is as blue as a sapphire. It's not a sapphire, that's a gemstone, but it's just comparing it to something that people really know things about. So in this story, there's one of my favorite similes, and it's when it comes to the part where there's talking about the white snow in the clearing in the forest. So I want you to be really listening to that. I've also taken a picture of some questions I want you to be thinking of, and I will read to you those questions right now. I just put them right on the calendar. So the top one, it says, what is the setting of the story? And remember, the setting is the where, the who, and the when. Second question is, why is it important to be brave when you go owling? Why is it important to go brave when you go owling? And owling is the idea of you're going somewhere searching for owls. You're looking for owls. You're hunting for them, but not with a gun, just with your eyes. And the last question is, what does the author compare snow to in the moonlight? And that is the question that I am talking about when I'm talking about similes. So just like yesterday's read aloud, feel free to take notes. Feel free to just use your memory. That's fine too. But I only have 3 questions today. One of them being the setting, which actually is 3 things in the setting. So effectively like 6 questions. You can do it. I need all of them done. So I'm going to start the read aloud now.